Hi, this is Martin from Mockup Brothers, and this is another quick tutorial where I will show you how to create such a professional photo to sell your art online. So you don't have to be a Photoshop expert or organizing a photo shooting event every single month in order to present your artwork in a professional and inspirational way. You can do it yourself in minutes, and I will show you how. As you can see, I'm using Canva, which is a free and easy to use platform to edit your designs. And I will use our mockups and movable frames to create such a photo. So let's get started. First of all, I've created a white blank board, and I uploaded already a piece of art, some frames here, and here are our mockups from the mockupbrothers.com. So I will just drag and drop it to the white page, just like that, and I will select it and lock it. Alright, so next thing is to place our artwork to the white wall, just like that. As you can see, there is some little white things with which you are able to resize or crop your artwork. Just make some corrections here in order to represent this feature. And I've already uploaded some movable frames which are in a PNG format, and you can upload any image here, by the way. So click on that, place over the artwork, and that's it. Almost we are done, but we need some adjustments. Like I can see there the shadow is in the wrong direction, so I will go here, flip it horizontally. Alright, now it's okay. I will select the frame and the artwork together, and I will group it together. So now I'm able to resize the whole thing together or move to anywhere. And just one more little thing. This shadow seems to be a bit more darker than here, so let's hover over the transparency tab and make it 80% transparency. That's it. So this is a first part of our tutorial series, and if you would like to know how to create your own size frame or create frame without a mat or any other tips and tricks, please hit the subscribe button and check out our next videos. Bye.